In this video, I will continue to show you how to process the data with Demetra. I'm still working with the version 5.1 of Demetra. I'm working in the LP600 configuration, and I'm working only with the demonstration images that are provided with the software. I have no spectroscope attached to my computer. Okay, so I continue. In the previous videos, we worked the master and pre-process steps. So now I will go to the geometry step. In this step, we have two parameters to configure. The geometry step consists in correcting the deformation of the image because of the optics of the LP600. If you see carefully, you can see that the lines are slightly bended, and also they are slanted. And if you look at the spectrum itself, it's not exactly horizontal in the image. So if you have tuned properly the LP, it should be horizontal, but it's not perfectly horizontal, and then this is why we will correct here. To do that, in this step, so in the geometry step here, you have two tools. Sorry, one is to tilt the image, and the other one is to correct the smile. Okay, so the tilt is just click on this, and I see the image that have my star spectrum, and it is not exactly horizontal. And the way to correct it is just to draw a rectangle around this star, and then click on detect here, and it will Demetra will calculate the angle. In this case is 0.06 degrees, so it's very low, but it is not zero. And you can, so if you click on detect, it will make the calculation, and you see that you have an angle in the top right corner here, which is well, it was the old value of this angle. And if I click on the set value button here in the tool, in the tilt tool, then it will move this value, so minus 0.06, it will move it to this area, and then it will take it into account for the next calculation. Okay, so if you do that, and if you can also click on preview to see the effect of the correction, which is, again, it is very low in this case, but it's not zero. Okay, this is exactly the same for the smile, except that for the smile, so here really we did rotate the image to make sure that the spectrum is horizontal. For the smile operation, which is the second one, we will measure, in fact, the height. So I can extend a little bit my image. We will measure the bending and the slant of one line. So you just have to take one line, one bright line, the line you want. Usually we take the brightest one because it is the easiest. We draw a rectangle around this line, and again Demetra will calculate the center of the radius. So it will compare this line to a circle, to an arc circle, and then it will measure the radius of the circle and also the y position. Okay, so in this case, because it is not exactly center because of a slant effect of the line. Okay, so again you can detect it, and again you can send it to here. So we have the old values, and you can send it here, and it will make the calculation and put the value here. Of course, you can edit them by hand. You can put the value by hand if you prefer, but it is much easier like that. And if you click on the preview image, in this case, you will see the effect of the correction. That now the lines are perfectly vertical. Okay, so you can see the deformation of the line. Okay, so that's only the two parameters to put in this step. After that, you just have to run, so either image per image, or it is faster, you can just run the series of image. Again, this is one for the object and one for the calibration. Again, we use the same processing for the calibration image to make sure that we keep always exactly the same behavior, and then we can compare the calibration image at the end. Okay, so I've run all the series, and now the step is done. Okay. So we'll continue in the next video for the next step.